Golden1988 here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a What's in My Dock video for June 2011. I haven't done one since last September, so I thought it was time to make an updated version. So, let's just start on the left of my dock. Starting off, you have Finder, the default file kind of directory program on Mac OS X. Next, we have App Store. This came in 10.6.6, I believe, the update, and it's the Mac App Store. Next, I have System Preferences. You can change settings on your computer. Next, I have the default Mail.app program. It's very nice for managing email accounts. Next, I have Google Chrome. I was a previous user of Firefox, but I just switched to Google Chrome because it's more simplistic, it's fast, and it pretty much does everything I need it to do. Next, I have FaceTime. I got this a few months ago when it was in beta and it was free. Now it's paid on the Mac App Store. Next, I have Dictionary. It's nice for quickly looking up terms and words. Next, I have ScreenFlow. This is a program I'm currently using to record my Mac screen. It's very nice. It was $99, but it's totally worth it. When you use it, it justifies the price of $99. Next, I have Photo Booth. You can take pictures with lots of different kind of backgrounds and editing you can do to your photos. There's a new update, Mac OS X Lion. It's going to have lots more effects, so I can't wait for that. Next, I have iTunes 10. If you don't know what iTunes is, it's basically a media, music, apps, pretty much everything you could download to your device, you can get it in iTunes. Next, I have iMovie. This is iMovie 10, the latest version. It's very nice. This is what I use to edit all my videos. Next, I have iMovie HD. This, I believe it was 2006, 2008 this was released. It was an older version of iMovie, but it has lots more effects. Okay, next I have Cinch. This gives your Mac the Windows 7 kind of snapping feature look to snap your windows, and it's very nice. It was a free program. I'm running the trial right now. Next, I have YouTube Lime. This is basically an application made by iStuff on YouTube. It allows you to make a link with the video and make like a certain part of the video and make a link to that minutes and seconds. Next, I have VirtualBox. I've been using it to run applications and basically OSs, like operating systems. I've used it to run Ubuntu 10.10 and Windows 7. It works great. Next, I have Aperture. This is a very enhanced photo editing software. I actually won a copy of this from DP De Silva on Twitter. Dan De Silva, he's a former Apple employee, so I'll leave a link to his Twitter so you guys can go ahead and check him out. He has some really interesting Apple tweets. Next, I have iPhoto. This is kind of the more tamed down version of Aperture. It's basically the default photo editing program that comes with your Mac. Next, I have NoteTaker Pro. This is an application made by Andrew from TechnoRock TV on YouTube. It's a great, simplistic note-taker application, which I did a review on my channel a few weeks ago. Next, I have Microsoft Office. It's just a text editor, very advanced for doing projects and such. Okay, next I have PhotoSync. There's an iOS app which allows you to sync photos between your devices, your Mac to your computer, your iPod to your computer, or iPhone to computer, or iPad to computer. Works very nice. Next, I have Watts. This is a battery manager for your Mac. It works very nice. It tells you how many cycles of battery charging you've done on your Mac and pretty much everything like that. Next, I have DJ2. This is a DJ program for Mac OS X. It works perfectly if you want to edit some music and kind of like listen to music at different tempos and stuff, or just play around with it. Next, I have Minecraft. This is the single player version. It works great. It's a application made by Notch and Mahjong. It's a fun kind of sandbox game. I've been playing around with it lately. Next, I have Angry Birds. This is Angry Birds on your Mac. Next, I have Angry Birds Rio. This is Angry Birds Rio from the iPhone app to your Mac. Next, I have MC Domination. This is Modern Combat Domination. It was $12.99 on the Mac App Store. It's a very good first-person shooter, FPS game for your Mac. It's one of the best, actually. Next, I have the Flatout 2 demo. This is kind of a fun racing game to play sometimes. As you can see, I'm running the demo version. Next, I have Chopper 2. I bought this on the Mac App Store when it first came out. They have an iOS app version where you can pair it up with your device and play, kind of use your iPhone as a controller for your computer, which is pretty cool. Next, I have Asphalt 6. I bought this a couple months ago, and I've enjoyed it. I kind of played it more the first week I got it, but I'm going to try to start to play it again because it's great and has a multiplayer option. So does my Modern Combat Domination. It has a multiplayer too, version 2. Next I have Preview, which you can preview pictures and do some basic editing of your pictures and graphics. Next I have Text Edit. It's a very simple text editor that comes default on your Mac. Next I have MixSearch 4. This is another application made by iDoIStuff on YouTube and Twitter. It allows you to search different video networks to find the content you're looking for, all in one easy desktop application. I did a review of this on my channel a few weeks ago as well. Next I have Swacket. This is a free application that allows you to see the weather in a graphic interface to show you what you should wear on a certain day. Next I have Weather HD. I just bought this about a week ago, and it's a very nice kind of weather application. You can see a graphic layout, and it gives you a little graphic video of what the temperature is going to be for the next couple days in your area. Next I have Twitter. This is a free Twitter client, the default one actually for Mac. It's just perfect, does everything I need it to do. Next I have Xcode. I got this when it was free. Now it's like $4.99 in the Mac App Store. It's a developer. It's for iOS development. I would like to start to get into that. I just need to learn some more about it first. Next I have Super Mega Worm. I believe David DeFranco pointed this application out, and it's pretty cool. It's like a retro style worm game where you jump your worm and stuff and try to like attack people. Next I have Poppy Jump free. This is kind of like a doodle jump style game on your Mac, and it's free of course, as the name suggests. Next I have Air Hockey free. It's like the Air Hockey iOS application but ported to your Mac. Next I have Shotgun Fun Fun. It's a very basic kind of shooting game where you shoot these demons. It's pretty fun to play sometimes. Next I have Victory March. You either get to be a Russian or United States soldier, and then you can just like go around and like shoot people on this kind of like Mario kind of styled game. Next I have Poppy River. It's another game in this Poppy series. It's pretty fun to play. You just have to avoid the sides of this river, but it's still pretty basic, but overall it's a fun app. Next I have Typist. I recently downloaded this application. You can learn different keyboard styles and learn how to improve your keyboard strokes. You can have the fastest typing possible. Next I have my Documents folder, which is self-explanatory. And now I have my Downloads folder, which just, when you download an application or a file, it goes straight to this. Next I have Trash, which can't be moved from that location. So thanks for watching my What's on My Mac doc video for June 2011. Thanks for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe if you're new to my videos. Well, thanks for watching this video, and hope you have a good day. Bye.